like all on it. Bro, it's an E92. You don't know? Bro, a legendary car, this one.
Yeah, what?
Carbon fiber truck. They have open dump probably. Or somewhere on there, but
You wouldn't know none of that. You wouldn't know though. Come on. More about in this bitch, bro.
Yeah. I can't see it.
I have a paint match difference, so it's like, okay.
On B blocks.
I like that. I think I have to spoil that, bro. Kind of fuck with you.
Ooh, M3, F80.
No, get the cue and I can't laugh at
I mean, I don't just stick money in the car. I'm both saying, can't style me, you know. I walk young on this bitch. Tell her. You're going to super again?
Yeah, hold on. BMW 440i. That look clean, bro.
I forget this one. It's like beat. I forget this.
What I car from car's name?
Maybe.
Motor. I made her name. Made her.
I think this is me, dog. I might speed this man.
You got Mater over here. Tight shit.
This is up here.
It's a 535i. D budget. The Fox and D budget mean not an M5.
Okay. That's like it, huh?
You got a clean shit here. Tight shit. Q60.
Alright,
Stop on the side.
nah, here. Like, he can't have picking us about it. We're not like,
Even bumper.
need a mop. It's not gonna have a mop. I just see it on the equipment tire. I don't know, bro. You never know that. I don't know what I'm saying.
Bro, what? That's crazy. They talk up on YouTube and they take me out by so bad.
They cut me out, bro.
Yeah, you idiot.
Alright.
Yeah.
Illegal, baby.
Dog, you need a front lip, dog. Leave it all.
I'm back, I get kicked out, bro.
Bro, we buying gas, man. Oh, the all of it? Oh, it's not of it. A Bucky's mascot, this? I don't got a car, bruh.
Man, we got kicked out.
You ain't got a car, bruh. Single exit.
Yeah, it's more cool too. How we run this, bro?
Eat it.
It's
a M550i. So I want to have a V8. Yeah, V8. I know what car, so it's an extra.
A little bit, bro. I ain't even gonna see. You like some mess, but like it up. You can't I'm mugging up, man.
Feel me?
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Imagine when I set that bit up, bro. Bro, I love him, Matt. I love the Matt. But this nigga remind me of Fantape, dog. Got shut down, bros. Popo came in, bro. W will meet for the time being, though. Bro, what? That ain't my shit. Did my boy turn off? I don't know if this nigga's going to my house, gang. Where this nigga go? Yeah, that shit's spinning, though. Coming for you, boy! We're coming for you, boy! We're coming for you, boy! You think I'm boy! smell like he got a fucking catless downpipe, bro. What that shit so stink, bro? Damn, nigga. And my windshield dirty. All this rain we got, bro. I just seen police going down there. You seen that?
Yeah, I seen it, bro.
What's up with you, bro? Why you moving like that?
That shit crazy, bro.
Why you moving like that, bro?
That shit, bro.
Bro, your shit smell like you got a callous downpipe, boy. That shit stink. That shit spitting, boy.
That motherfucker spit like a
Ah.
no, bro. I'm gonna get him here some props, you know? Take out flashing light. Just flat now. When we turn out, we take that brake light. We need that brake light. Bro, we can't see it off. I mean, we fuck like me. I hold that shit like a motherfucker. I ain't even gonna lie, the time. I hold that shit like a motherfucker. From what the way man them did.
Boy, you lose them. Missy 3V cube turn to left.
I can go about things. I tell myself about them, bro. When me see one like it, me see you shoot up and heavy me. I say my shot. Listen, bro. Sport bumper ain't coming, bro. Don't even watch that, cuz. I'm telling you. Go the next thing on this car is a sport bumper. Trust.
Alright, bro. What is that?
No, like, so you kind of fast, you know? I see that.
Bro, the nigga in that Volkswagen that follow we. Apart when he said we don't know where I go. Yeah, you can't keep up.
Yeah, what?
Hey, but did I hawk it on you?
No, see how coming up?
Me hawk you.
Yeah, moving on, dog.
I tell him B58 is back, bro. I got that shit on tape too. I got that shit on tape.
You're not fast, me.
I got that shit. No, I was on your bumper though.
So long.
I got it on tape, bro. We ain't see no break. I could hear your car, bro. Bro, let's go, bro. Bro, those junks don't count. My car was down. My car was down, bro. What the fuck this nigga talking about? Okay. I should have mic'd up. Watch out for that car over there. But yo, this shit was not playing, gang. Like, we were just at the gas station, bro. We at Buc-ee's just chilling after us. Like, we played soccer, bro. And we just seen these cars pull up. First of all, it was bikes. And then we just seen the cars pull up one by one, bro. Today was not planned at all. Wonder this nigga wanted to smoke though. God damn, boy. I don't know why this nigga car sound like that, bro. That shit sound like you're trying to kill something, bro. What the fuck he got going on? I'd have gassed again. Shit crazy, bro. We got all the bikes over here. Shit. Yeah. Back up over here. That junk clean. Let that junk cool down for a little bit. Alright, y'all. It's the next day. Didn't really ended up recording the best quality content or recording too much because, bro, as I said, that shit was not planned. We were just at the gas station chilling, and then the car meet happened around us, bro. So I just had to like whip my phone out and just record what I could, bro. Literally. But got so much planned for this car, bro. So much, but you know, it's just gonna take a little bit of time though. But I promise, like, got so much coming for the car, bro. Don't mind it now, it's dirty. I ain't gonna lie, it's been dirty for a minute. It's been dirty for a minute. Yeah, bro, the weather just been crazy, bro. Damn, bro, got a lazy eye. Damn, I'm chopped. But hey, I'ma head out. Y'all stay safe.